The CE-CTMP-5 has become a go-to solution for mounting smaller dome cameras to ceiling tiles, eliminating the need for time-consuming DIY solutions. Now, for larger cameras and other ceiling-mounted devices, there's the all-new CE-CTMP-6. With a larger 6-inch mounting plate, integrated cutting threads that eliminate the need for a hole saw, and concentric guide rings for quick, accurate alignment, it's our most versatile ceiling tile mount yet. It works great with large dome cameras, turret cameras, 360 cameras, wireless access points, motion sensors, and more. Whether you're mounting a camera or another ceiling-mounted device, the CE-CTMP-6 provides a secure, professional mounting solution in just minutes. To install, simply choose your desired mounting location. Place the flange bolt against the ceiling tile and rotate it clockwise. As you turn it, the integrated cutting threads cleanly cut through the tile, eliminating the need for a hole saw. Once the flange passes through the tile, tighten the locking nut from above until the mounting plate is securely fastened. Now you're ready to install your camera or device. If your camera has a center cable exit, route the cable through the hollow flange bolt, then secure the camera using the included self-tapping screws. If your camera has a side cable exit, use the concentric guide rings to quickly locate the drilling position. Drill the mounting plate with the appropriate size drill bit, route the cable through the new opening, then secure the camera using the included self-tapping screws. It's that simple. So the next time you're mounting a camera or ceiling-mounted device to a suspended ceiling, skip the homemade mounting solutions and install it the professional way with the Clinton Electronics CE-CTMP-6.